My name is Reverend Gregory Manning. I'm the pastor of Broadmoor Community Church, where our motto and tagline is where no perfect people are allowed. I believe that serving people living with HIV is right in line with what Jesus Christ would have us do. I think pastors need to stop being afraid to even say the word HIV. Stigma has become so entrenched in our community that people, especially pastors, are even afraid just to mention the term. What I'd say to faith leaders and to other people of faith in general is get educated so you can convey the right information. Get educated so that you are knowledgeable yourself and so that you are no longer living in fear. You know, I truly believe that love is a verb, that we can't just say that we love others. We have to outwardly demonstrate it on a daily basis.